Hey guys, welcome back to the Delpris family. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys a survey app. It's called 1Q. I don't have a link to this app in the description, so you just got to put it in your Play Store. It's called 1Q. I'm not sure if they have this for the iPhone, but you could try it out. But I'm pretty sure they have it for the Android because I'm using an Android phone right now. And basically, this app, it just pays you like 25 cents per question. Alright, so I discovered this app today and I already got like 3 questions, but as you can see here, it says money earned 25 cents, questions missed 2. So what happened was, the first question I got, I went on it and I pressed the back button by accident and I missed out on that. So it says you have chosen to opt out of this question. So guys, be careful of that. As soon as you click on one question, just answer it. That way you don't end up in my mistake. And then as you can see here, I got a thicky mark right here. That means I got this one right because they asked me a simple question and I answered it correctly and I got 25 cents for that one question. And then the top one right here with the X, it expired on me. So you guys got to be careful of that. Once they notify you, hopefully you're not doing anything, so you could just click on it and just get it out the way, because I missed out on this one and that's 25 cents. So I could have made 75 cents just like that in no time. Alright, so just like every other survey app, guys, you guys got to fill out all the profile stuff about you, you know, just fill it out to the max it out. That way you can get a lot more questions, so you can make a lot more money. Alright, so this little green bell button right here, you just gotta press that. That way it notifies you. It says good news, app notifications are enabled. You will receive a notification when a new question is available. So that's pretty good. Alright guys, so remember, the name of this app is called 1Q, as you can see up top right there, just called 1Q. So put that in your Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone, you know, put that in wherever you guys get your apps from. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found any value, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And thank you for spending your time with me today in this video. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy your day. See you guys in the other one.